Got the massive droner here. We're going to fly it around the park. Got the 550 milliamp battery on there. And where's my remote? There it is. Remote on.
Hello, my man Joe. What's up, dude? Throttle warning. Descend meters. Acro mode. Why? Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, here we go. There we go. It's pretty spiffy. Let's see if we get some gates through. It really flies like a 5-inch quad. It really does. Let's see if I can get through some gates here. Line them up. Ooh. There's one. That gate's broken. There's one. See if I can get on the course. Whoop, missed that one. That one's busted. We've had a bit of wind here in Florida. Gates could be in better shape. There. I'm just picking up gates at random. Whoa! Uh-oh. Let's try turtle mode. No. No turtle mode. Time to do the walk of shame. Find a quad. Let's go find our quad. See where she's
loud
down?
enough. Yeah, it's loud enough. By the second gate there.
How'd she look?
Fast.
Not too bad for a 2-inch props.
For a little while, you got really close over the ground there.
Let me get ahead of you. Oh, gotta watch all those red ant hills. I hear it. I see it.
Just keep going straight, yeah. It's almost by the gate.
It's so small, it's like it's hidden in the grass. Sounds like it's right in front of me. Right here.
Just
There
past
it
it,
is.
yep.
Right over the red ant hill. You're welcome. Everything looks good. Props aren't. Oh, there's a little bent on the prop. This end needs to be bent up a little bit. How's this side? Oh, there's a really bent prop there. She looks good. Let's see if we can take her off and fly her back. Gotta find a place without grass. Ow. My transmitter's really hot. Here, looks like a good spot. Whee! Where are we? Here we are. Whoa! That was too friggin' close. All right. How are we doing on powered? 10.9. This thing like drinks battery like a bird. Little tiny bird. Nice. Let's see if she got. Let's see how well she hold up air. Nice. 2 minutes and I got 10.9 volts. 10.9 volts. This is like nothing. 550 milliamps. Let's try a funky move I've been trying. Whoa, that was a funky move that didn't do so well. Let me try, I don't know what you call this. Let's go. Oh. Pop it. I don't know what you call, oh, now we hit low battery. Okay, we're gonna bring her in. We got really good video. Yeah, let's see if we can get close to the cars. There we go. And it's kind of upside down, but it's disarmed. Let's go get back. How'd you look? No crashes that time.
No, it's a lot better. Close call though.
Beautiful day at View
Yeah,
Park.
A little hot maybe.
A little hot lately. So, my assistant helping me, go give yourself a cameo and tell us your name.
Hi, my name is Arno and I'm a newbie, and he's been kind of showing me around today. Learned a lot.
Glad to help. Where is she? Let's turn on the beeper. How close was I to the car? Woo! Hey, let's see if turtle mode really works on this. It's probably not going to work, but they're really in the props there. No.
Not in the grass.
No. Can't turtle mode this. Ah. All right, let's see how we did with that battery, how much power we got left in it. Woohoo! That was great. Always love to see how well loved the battery is. I can't do this without these. I can't see these stupid pittons. %. That is a well-loved, slightly warm battery. All right, so that's it for, I don't know, third, fourth, fifth flight. I've had about 4 or 5 packs to this, and Massive Jonah really is turning out to be perhaps my new favorite quad. You know, it's great getting these sub-weight quads, which kind of skirt the old FAA rule on, you know, being that they're below 250 grams. I think this was 160 grams, so really nice. Okay, so highly recommend Catalyst Machineworks, Massive Droner, great quad. See you later. This is Joel Lightcatcher.